Hi everybody, it's been a while since I've done a video. Today I'm going to make ground beef heart patties as a cooking experiment. So what I have is 1.5 pounds of beef heart that's been pre-cut by the market, and I just added a green onion, and I'm going to just grind it in a little chopper. Hi, what I'm doing is processing the beef heart in a food processor and pulsing about 1 second, and I'm going to do this about 20-30 times until I get a nice fine mix. Alright, here's the minced beef heart. It does look like ground beef, it's just very lean. And also these white specks are is about half teaspoon of kosher salt that I'm going to mix in. Okay, I made 2 4-ounce patties. They're very lean. I don't know if they'll stick together. So I'll either end up with little patties or I'll end up making taco meat. Cooking the patties in a hot skillet with clarified butter and a little extra oil. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, the patties have been cooking about 2 minutes. I'm going to give it a flip, see if it holds together. That's almost. Maybe I flipped too aggressively. Alright, this is the finished results. I added cheese to try to keep the patties together. They're falling apart a little when I was cooking. I think I was a little too aggressive in flipping, but they are a little crumbly. Let me give it a try. It's very good. Does taste like ground beef. There's no funky, weird taste like liver. I did add a little extra salt on it, but it's pretty good. I think what I'll do instead is make taco meat and not worry about making patties.